I'm Fox 13 News reporter Avery Klanowski in Tooele County. Utah officials are sounding the alarm on ammunition fire prevention. Starting Wednesday, they're asking people to shoot paper targets like this one on wood stakes or cardboard boxes.
It doesn't happen every time, but it does happen, and it happens frequently.
Utah Department of Natural Resources says since January, there's been 21 fires across the state from firearms.
Over this past weekend, I responded to and investigated 3 different fires that were started by target shooting. 2 of them were started by people that were shooting steel targets.
And now, with a red flag warning going into effect for much of the state this week, Tooele County officials are asking people who shoot outdoors to start taking precautions.
Since mid-May, we've had, just in Tooele County alone, 8 fires started from shooting.
Just verify what kind of ammunition you are shooting, avoid the steel jacketed or steel cord ammunition that could cause a greater chance of fires.
They say double check your ammunition.
If you put it up against a magnet and it sticks, then it has got a steel component. So what happens there is that bullet impacts that steel and creates a spark, or the bullet fragment gets really hot and lands in the grass, and then can start a wildfire.
Trevor Whiting with Tooele County Fire was showing targets that people should not be aiming at, some even causing recent fires.
Ammo hit it, it split into 3 fragments, and one of those fragments landed right in some grass and started the fire.
Reminding people to not shoot at explosive or steel targets.
It is illegal in Tooele County to shoot exploding targets.
Instead, aim for paper targets on wooden stakes or cardboard boxes.
So make sure you're aware of what's holding your targets.
Another tip they have, pay close attention to where you're setting up your targets.
Be aware of your background. Make sure there's no steel, no rocks, no vegetation within probably 20 feet of that area, or if not more.
Shooting for less wildfires this summer by asking people to take preventative measures.
And we want to help the public to use public lands, but to use them responsibly.
In Tooele County, Avery Klanowski, Fox 13 News, Utah.